Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to find trending smart portfolios on eToro. Just open the app and click on this search icon right here and then find smart portfolios. Click on it and you can see the most trending portfolios right on this page. But if you go down this page, then you can click on view all portfolios and then you can arrange them based on popularity, performance, risk, so you can decide which one you would like to actually invest in. So you can just browse here and find the best for yourself. Happy trading and may the bull market be with you.